So we know that in exercise 5.2 we have to apply general term formula. So general term formula is an equals to a plus n minus 1d that we have discussed yesterday, where a means first term, d means common difference, and n is the position of the term in AP, whether third term, fifth term, sixth term. So now question number 6. Check whether minus 150 is the term of the AP 11852. So in this question we will suppose that an equals to minus 150. So a is 11, d is 3, d is minus 3. So we apply the formula of an to find minus 150 is which term of this, to check whether minus 150 is a term of this AP or not. We have suppose AP, minus 150 as an. So apply the formula an equals to a plus n minus 1d, substitute the values of a and d. So after solving we find that n is coming 164 upon 3. It is coming in the form of fraction. So whenever we get the value of n in the form of fraction, we will say that that term does not belong to this AP. Okay, so n should come a proper natural number. So here n is not coming a natural number, so minus 150 is not a term of this AP. Next, now question number 7. Find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. So two terms of this AP are given. We have to find the 31st term. So 11th term is 38, 16th term is 73. We apply the formula of an here. A11 means a plus 10d equals to 38. A16 means a plus 15d equals to a plus 15d equals to 73. Subtracting 1 from 2. So we get the value of d. Then we find the value of a. To find the value of a, we have substitute value of d in equation 1. So value of a has come minus 32, and then we have find a 31st. We have find the 31st term. A 31st equals to a plus 30d, applying the general term formula. So when we substitute the value of a and d, we get the value of 31st term as 178. So 31st term of this AP has come 178. Please note down this. Next, question number 8. So in question number 8, an AP consists of 50 terms, of which third term is 12 and the last term is 106. Find 29th term. So in this AP they are given as total number of terms are 50. And then they said that last term is 106. That means A50 is 106 and third term is given. So n is given 50, third term is 12, and the question they said last term is 106 and total number of terms are 50. That means 50th is the last term. So that's why A50 equals to 106. Apply the general term formula. So again, to transfer given, we get two equations. So a plus 2d equals to 12, a plus 49d equals to 106, a plus 49d. This has come from A50 applying general term formula. Same way a plus d2 has come from A3 by applying general term formula. Subtracting 1 from 2, we get the value of d as 2. So now we have find the value of a from equation 1. Value of a has come 8. So then we want to, in the question they also find the 29th term. So 8 29th equals to a plus 28d. Again by general term formula, substitute the values. D was 2. So 2 multiplied 28, 56. 56 plus 8, 64. So 29th term of this AP is 64. Then question number 10th. So in question number 10th is the 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. Find the common difference. So 17th term is 7 more than its 10th term. So this information we can write in method in this way. The difference between 17th term and 10th term is 7. So a 17th term, a 10th term. So a plus 16d by general term formula, a plus 9d, open the bracket, a and a cancel, 16d minus 9d, 7d. This 7 is will divide by 7. So 7 divided by 7, 1. So common difference is 1. So in question number 10th, the 17th term exceeds the 10th term by 7. One more way also you can make this equation. This equation can be also written like this way: a17th is equals to a10 plus 7. So then you can solve same way, same answer will come. Now question number 11th. So in question number 11th, they are saying find which term of the AP 3, 15, 27, 39 will be 132 more than its 54th term. So they want to find such a term which is 154 more than its 132 more than its 54th term. So whenever we have to find any term in AP, we suppose that term as AN. So A is 3, D is 12. So let AN be 132 more than its 54th term. So this information can be written like this way. So n equals to a54 plus 132. Apply the general term formula. A and A get cancelled. Substitute the values. D we have put 12. So then we solve 53 into 12, 636. So 636 plus 132, 768. So on the left hand side we have opened the bracket. So n into 12, 12. 12 and minus 1 and 12 minus 12. Then this 12 was brought this side. So 12 n equals to 780, so n equals to 780 upon 12, so 65. So this means 65th term is 132 more than its 54th term. 65th term is 132 more than its 54th term. So please note down. First question number 8th. Then question number 10th. Question number 9 is left for homework. Now next question number 12th. So question number 12th is in 2 AP the common difference is same. In 2 AP the common difference is same, and the difference between their 100th term is 100, and the difference between their 100th term is 100. The difference between their 100th term is 100. We have to find the difference between their 1000 term. We have to find the difference. Question number 12. 2 AP have same common difference. The difference between their 100 term is 100. What is the difference between their 1000th term? So there are 2 APs. So first AP, first term A, common difference D. For second AP, first term A, common difference D. So for the common difference we are used same variable because common difference was given same. So first term we represent in first AP first term by small a, in second AP first term by big A. So we know that the difference between the 100 term is 100. So a 100 minus a 100 equals to 100. Apply the general term formula. Okay, we get a minus a equals to 100. This information we get. Now we want to find the difference between their 1000 term. So again so a 1000 minus a 1000 equals to a plus 919d minus a plus 999d. Open the bracket. This and this get cancelled. A minus a, and we know that value of a minus a is 100 from equation 1 that we have substituted. So difference between the 1000 term is also coming 100. Then question number 13th. So in question number 13th, how many 3 digits number are divisible by 7? So how many? We know the smallest 3 digit number is 100 and the greatest 3 digit number is 999. So by divide we have to check which number will divide by 7. So when we divide and check, 105 was the first 3 digit number that is divided by 7. Now same way we have to, so second number in this type of question, the divisor is common difference. Okay, it's just like table. So the next term just add 105 plus 7, 112, 112 plus 7, 119. Now we have to also find the last term, that is the nth term of this type of AP. We know the greatest 3 digit number is 999, so we divide 919 by 7. So when you divide, we see the remainder is 5. So this means if I subtract 5 from 999, that number will be completely divisible by 7. So 999 minus 5, 994. So we got our nth term, an. So a is 105, d is 7, an equals to 994. Apply the formula, apply general term formula, substitute the values. So then we solve it. 105 was transferred to this side, 889 So 7 was multiplying on this side, so right hand side divide. So 889 divided by 7, 127. So n is coming 1 minus 1 plus 127, 128. So there are 128 three digits number which are divisible by 7. Please note down. Question number 12th and question number 13th. So now question number 14th. Question number 14th, they are asking how many multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250. So we have to just consider this number. So we have to see which numbers are divisible by 4 between 10 and 250. So after 10, the first number that is divisible by 4 is 12. So 12 plus 4, 16, 16 plus 4, 20. Same way, we have to check from the last by dividing 250 by 4. 250 is not divisible by 4. 249 is not divisible by 248 is divisible by 4. So in this, between these two numbers 10 and 252, the last digit, that last number which is divisible by 4 is 248. That means this is our nth term. So a is 12, d is 4, a nth equals to 248. Apply the general term formula. So substitute the value of a and d. Open the bracket, 12 minus 4, 8, 8 plus 4n equals to 248. So 248 minus 8, 240. So n is coming 60. That means there are 60 multiples of 4 between 10 and 250, which are, there are 60 multiples of 4 between 10 and 250. Okay. So today we are done till question number 14th. Keep in good health. Do your work regularly. Thank you. And please note down the sums.